Help for the different bears have usually been set at 4.68, and the EMA 50 is now at around $6. They have also usually thought that the current trading volume of Internet Computer is at 19,294,362, which is a very large number. Internet Computer is currently trading at around $4.50. July 27, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the web cost examination for now or for at least 1 week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions, such as, what is the current cost expectation for an internet computer, especially since ICP is a smart interest in a big way? What is the level of internet computer support and obstruction? Market study shows that there was a loss of $1.84 in the last 24 hours, bringing the total value of the digital money market to $1.98 trillion. It also shows that the number of computers trading on the internet right now is 19,294,362. Despite what most people think, the overall number of computers trading is still 3,093,178,22. Bitcoin has 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This shows how important internet computer support and opposition levels are. This is one reason why Bitcoin's price dropped by 0.14% to $28,376.66, and why Ethereum's price went up by 0.15% to $1,899.9 in the last 24 hours. The fundamentally local coin a BNB is up by 0.18 and is currently exchanging at 240.64 cents, so the particularly current exchanging volume of internet computer basically is at 19,294,362, which sort of is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents. After seeing a downfall of 0.77 in esteem, or so they truly thought. These events particularly show that the market essentially is going in a sort of descending bearing for the generally present moment, so Bitcoin SH, while Ethereum undoubtedly has a dominance of 16.33, demonstrating how internet computer support and obstruction levels, and so on, which is essentially extremely enormous right now. A general truly terrible dive can be witnessed all over the crypto market in a very major method: internet computer backing and opposition generally, or significant specialized markers used to generally recognize most certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path. Beautiful regardless of prevalent thinking support and every practical sense is a level at which purchasers certainly become commonly more fundamentally dynamic and generally prevent the coin as cost from falling any further. So market analysis over the last 24 hours shows that competition is at a level where sellers get active and stop the price of the coin from going up. This means that the internet computer trades for about $4.05 at the moment. July 27, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the web cost exam for now or next week. And we'll do our best to answer these questions every week. What is really a short-term cost plan for the internet computer? Is ICP a very smart investment in a low-key way to follow? Are the internet computer ICP health and competition levels? How a computer works on the internet. The typical internet computer chart shows that the ICP price has gone up by 0.58%, and after 24 hours and a lot of time, the value of the internet computer ICP coin has stayed at $4.05, with a market capitalization of $17.79, $185, $226 in the United States. This is a level where traders usually start to move real money. July 27, 2023. In this video, we'll basically walk you through the internet computer cost exam for now or a week from now and try to answer these often mentioned urgent questions. The facts: what is true in every way that really matters. ICP is a really smart wish on a large scale for a temporary cost assumption for the internet computer. The price of ICP changes by 3.06 points over the course of a week, and the average number of trades is 19,294,362 United States dollars, which means that an internet computer now costs about $4.50 on July 27, 2023. In this video, We'll walk you through the cost of the internet for now or the next week and try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important facts. ICP is what amounts to a temporary cost assumption for the internet computer, which is a very smart thing to do in a truly big way. ICP price study for July 27, 2023, shows a daily period that is usually understood as below, so an internet computer exchanges close to $4.50 right now. July 27, 2023, in this video, we'll basically walk you through the live exam for now or about a week from now. We'll also try to answer these frequently asked questions about important facts. What really matters is short-term price expectations for internet computers in general. They thought ICP was a good business, so they raised interest rates by 25 basis points. As a result, the price of Bitcoin is expected to drop by almost 3%. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $29.464, which is a small increase of 0.5% from Thursday. Even though the economy is growing slowly, the move by the Federal Reserve to raise the federal funds rate by 25 basis points has caused the price of Bitcoin to drop by almost 3% in the last week. Investors and traders are keeping a close eye on how the market reacts to this rate hike because it could affect how the coin does in the future. Even though economic growth has been slow, the Federal Reserve recently raised the federal funds rate by 25 basis points. This was expected and was already reflected in the price of BTC the next day. Hovered near $29,500 on August 10 as markets braced for a fresh United States Consumer Price Index (CPI) print. Trader warns of Bitcoin downside despite CPI volatility. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC price action stabilizing in the run-up to the CPI release, itself a classic volatility catalyst. CPI is one of the key elements for the Federal Reserve when deciding interest rate policy. Last month's June readout was the lowest in 2 years, with expectations broadly pointing to another drop for July. 3.3% are the expectations, but are we going to get it and what will the markets do? Michael Van de Poppy, founder and CEO of trading firm 8. Queried in part of an X post on the topic. Van de Poppy noted that there appeared to be a chance that CPI could rise, something which would pressure risk assets, including crypto, which favor looser Fed policy. JP Morgan Chase was among those warning of a re-acceleration in CPI values. The major uncertainties concerned two issues that were previously seen as unlikely to undermine the July numbers: the direct and indirect price pass-throughs of the recent increase